cast iron, one piece, two V6s. Spark plugs are up here on top. 1936. Holds 28 quarts of oil in that cast iron low end. Oil filter holds a gallon. Two little carburetors. Purrs like a kitten. Chevrolet. 702 cubic inches. The firing order is 1498521111036 712. And don't ask me where the distributor is. I'm trying to find where all these spark plug wires go. It looks like it's got two distributor caps buried in the back there. See, even back in 1936, they make stuff that you have to do regular maintenance on, difficult to get to. Got an auxiliary cooling system. A little custom job with electric fans. And made to look like a little storage trunk. And it's got the air outlet here in the back. And just amazing. Very reliable. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.